Hi everyone, it's Miss Humphreys here. Today I am going to show you how to create your Elements of Art flipbook. This is just going to be a quick little demo. This is something we're going to work on over the next couple weeks, so do not lose this, please, or you have to make a new one, and that would not be fun. So with I have paper here, I have scissors, I have pencil and color pencils and markers off to the side. For my flip, to make it, I'm going to take my paper and fold it in half. I'm going to make sure my corners match each other. Then I'm going to fold that piece in half. And then I'm going to fold it in half one more time. So that when I unfold it, I have 8 pieces. All right, I should have 8 rectangles. Now, what I like to do is turn it around and then fold it the other way on those same folds. So instead of it folding this way, I'm gonna flip it and fold it the other way so that the crease is really, really good in there. And then same for these other 2 folds. So now I have it unfolded. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fold it in half this way. So it's like it's not going, and don't fold it in half like the long skinny rectangle. Fold it this way so it's hamburger style. And I have a marker here. I'm just gonna use the marker to show you where I'm gonna cut, but I'm gonna cut on this line right here. So to show you, the crease of my paper is here, and that's where I'm gonna start the cut. I'm gonna stop the cut in the middle of the paper. I don't wanna cut all the way because then I would just be cutting the whole thing in half. So with my scissors, I'm gonna cut right on that line, which was right on that fold that we made. And I'm gonna stop right there in the middle of these 3 lines. So when I unfold, it kind of has a mouth now. Now, I have this piece cut. I'm going to take my paper and pinching these 2 pieces with my fingers, I'm gonna fold it this way. So it kind of looks like a plus sign. And then I'm gonna press everything together and fold it so it looks like a book. And sometimes it doesn't want to cooperate, but you just gotta give it a little bit of muscle. And then I just press down again to make everything really flat, and now we have a little book. And you'll have 8 pages, so 1 on the front, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the last one is on the back. Now, today we are gonna work on the cover, and the very first one is going to be line. That's the very first element of art. So with my pencil, I'm just gonna put line just to remind myself later, but I'm going to work on my cover. This is really where you get to do whatever you would like to, but I really want you to make sure on the cover you write the words Elements of Art. And these are going to be the building blocks. The elements of art are the building blocks of art. Everything in art. Everything in art has the elements, at least one element of art. So I'm going to work on my cover, and then we will start with line. So I have my cover. I just decided to do some different lines and flowers. Now, the inside, our very first page is gonna be about line. I'm just gonna erase this really quickly because I don't need it anymore. And what you can do to separate your pages with a marker or a crayon, you can just draw right on top of the fold so that you have two separate areas. But for line, what I want to do is I want you to create different types of lines. So because we all know I love rainbows, I'm going to make lines going from top to bottom in rainbow order. So with my first color, I'm just going to make a thin straight line, and all my lines are going to be side to side or horizontal. Oh man. And then my next color, I'm going to do, it's easier for me to work this way, so I'm going to turn my book. My next color, I'm going to do some dashed lines. And then I'll just go down my page with different types of lines in different colors. So I have gone through and thought of all the lines I can think of until I ran out of space. So I have just a thin straight line, I have a dash line, a zigzag line, a wavy line, a loopy line, a really thick line, a dotted line, a spiral, a wavy line, and then a bumpy line. Now I want to see your different kinds of lines. Think of something, if you think of something that I didn't think of, definitely put that on this page. And on this page here, with my small black marker off to the side, I'm just going to write the word line. I'm going to use really fancy letters. So I know which element of art this is. After you have finished this page, please take a photo of your work and upload it to the assignment. Those instructions are posted in the assignment also. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye.